U.S. middleweight Claressa Shields won the Olympic gold medal Thursday, capping her swift rise to the top of women's boxing with a 19-12 victory over Russia's Nadezhda Tortolipova. The 17-year-old Shields shuffled, danced and slugged her way past her 33-year-old opponent, showing off the free-spirited style and brute strength that made her unbeatable at the London Games. Shields even stuck her tongue out at Tortolipova after ducking a few punches in the final round. The teenager won the 12-member American team's only gold medal in London. The winningest nation in Olympic boxing history got no medals from its men's team for the first time, and flyweight Marlon Esparza won a bronze. Shields has been on the international boxing scene for less than 2 years, but the Flint, Michigan native is among its fastest rising stars. She lost early in the World Championships, yet still qualified for the Olympics.